Ever feel overwhelmed by the investing world? News channels bombard you with jargon, analysts contradict each other, and picking stocks feels like gambling. But what if there was a way to invest smartly without becoming a financial whiz? That's where StashAway comes in. We're a revolutionary robo-advisor platform designed to make investing accessible and hassle-free. Forget poring over charts or deciphering complex reports. StashAway simplifies investing by building personalized portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Who is StashAway for? Maybe you're a young professional starting your career. You want to grow your wealth for the future but don't have the time or expertise to actively manage investments. StashAway takes care of everything, automatically rebalancing your portfolio and keeping you on track for your long-term goals. Perhaps you're nearing retirement and want to secure your golden years. StashAway can help you build a diversified portfolio that prioritizes income generation and minimizes risk. We adjust your investments as you approach retirement, ensuring a smooth transition into your next chapter. Even if you're already investing, StashAway can be a valuable addition. Our platform offers a globally diversified portfolio with exposure to markets you might not be able to access on your own. This diversification helps mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Benefits of StashAway. Here's what makes StashAway stand out. Automated investing, no more manually buying or selling stocks. StashAway rebalances your portfolio automatically, keeping you on track even during market fluctuations. Globally diversified portfolios gain exposure to a variety of asset classes and markets, minimizing risk through diversification. Low fees. StashAway charges a transparent and competitive fee structure, ensuring your hard-earned money goes towards growing your wealth. Goal-based investing. Tell StashAway your goals, and we'll create a personalized portfolio that gets you there. Whether it's a dream vacation, a child's education, or a comfortable retirement, StashAway helps you achieve your financial aspirations. Human expertise. While technology powers our platform, you are not alone. Our team of experienced financial advisors is always available to answer your questions and provide guidance. Getting started with StashAway. Ready to take control of your financial future? Getting started with StashAway is easy. Sign up online, answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and we'll create a personalized investment plan in minutes. You can start investing with a surprisingly low minimum amount, making StashAway accessible to everyone. Call to action. Don't let the world of investing intimidate you. With StashAway, you can invest with confidence and grow your wealth for the future. Visit our website or download the app today to get started. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.